Ever feel like the world's just too loud? Introducing Loop Quiet 2 earplugs, your ticket to peace in a noisy world. Struggling to sleep through your partner's snoring? Can't focus with all the office chatter? Tired of noisy flights ruining your travel zen? Say hello to your new best friend, Loop Quiet 2 earplugs. These aren't your average earplugs. With a powerful 24 dB noise reduction, they're like a mute button for the world around you. But here's the kicker, they're so comfy, you'll forget you're wearing them. Made from ultra-soft, flexible silicone, these reusable earplugs are a dream come true. Even side sleepers, rejoice, you won't feel a thing. And with 4 different ear tip sizes, from XS to L, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Small ears? We've got you covered. Whether you're catching some Z's, diving into deep work, or just need a break from the noise, Loop Quiet 2 has your back. They're easy to clean, built to last, and oh so simple to use. Just pop them in, give them a little twist, and voila, instant serenity. And when inserted correctly, they sit flush with your ear, no awkward sticking out. Plus, they come with a handy carry case. Portable peace of mind? Yes, please. Loop Quiet 2 earplugs, because life's too short for unwanted noise. Ready to experience life at your perfect volume? Click the link below to get your Loop Quiet 2 earplugs on Amazon today.